Welcome back to For the Love of Math. Today we are solving equations by completing the square again. But today we are looking at more advanced type 2, where the a is not 1. And I have deliberately chosen an example that looks real deurmekaar, real complex with fractions. And don't get scared. The steps are still the same. We first have to go and get rid of that 3. So that's the very first thing we do. And to do that, we need to divide each term by 3. The 3x squared, the minus 7x, and the 3. When we do that, we end up with a horrible fraction there in the middle term. But don't fret. It's just calculator work then, but the steps stay the same, and I'm just putting them all down again so we can follow them step by step. Okay, so the first thing is that middle term, that constant term, needs to be moved over, isolated. Then it becomes -1. Next step, we leave that space open. We draw our bracket squared. We leave our right-hand side for now, and we start. First term is easy now because there's a 1 in front of the x squared. It's just x. The sign stays the same as the middle term sign. It's minus. And now you take your calculator and you say 7 over 3, divide by 2, and you get 7 over 6. Now you leave that answer on your calculator because to fill in this red block, we are going to square it on our calculator and we get 49 over 36. 7 squared is 49, 6 squared is 36. Our sign is positive. What we do on the left, we do on the right. And now again, calculator work. This -1 plus 49 over 36. Type that in and we get 13 over 36. See? Nothing's to be scared about. Next step, we are going to solve that x now by getting both sides square rooted, but the right-hand side is plus minus. Remember that we need 2 solutions. So now we need to isolate that x to solve it, so that -7 over 6 moves over to the right-hand side. Simplest third form, if you do that on your calculator, you'll see because the denominators are the same, 6 and 6 here now, because remember, square root of 36 is 6. You can just write it as 1 fraction, and then 2 decimals, 0,57 or 1,77. So, just remember, follow these steps, step by step, and the more you practice, the better you'll get. Have a good day.